been on track. We're ready to go racing at Monza. Round 2 of GT World Challenge Europe, powered by AWS Endurance Cup. The Temple of Speed is about to play host to what could be an absolutely outstanding race then, with so many imponderables. The cars slowly make their way up towards the timing line. Niels Vitic, the race director, ready to give the signal to change the lights from red to green as we get set to go racing. Ricardo Feller peels a little bit to the outside there. He may regret doing that. Gets back into the train though now. The lights on red, blink to green, we go racing, and Ricardo Feller is on his toes. Here comes the Porsche then, straight between the other two cars. Mustang on the right, Audi on the left. It is going to be Arjun Maini who leads, and Maxime Martin then in the red and white Mercedes makes contact, and again a Boots and Porsche demolished, and there's absolute mayhem, and that takes out the leaders. 6, 7, 8, 9 cars, absolute mayhem, and all of that was triggered long before the corner.
It was just, it went on early. That was the problem. Row 6, Juncker got a mega start to start with. It was only the 17 Get Speed car that did it officially. There must be 9, 10, 12, 15 cars wiped out, and it's still going on. We're under green still at the moment.
Maxime Martin then is the race leader. Mauro Engel is second. In third place it's Picariello, and Valentino Rossi is in fifth behind Danny Juncker as they come up towards the first chicane, and it might kick off here as well as people get crossed up under braking. But you've had pretty much the first 4 rows of the grid eliminated. I thought